Beautiful evening to one and all. It is my pleasure to present the citation for Women Achievement Award of Excellence 2021. This award is sponsored by Mr. M. Gopalakrishna IAS retired in the name of his late mother, Srimati Muddusetti Brahmaramba Garu. And the award recipient is Ms. Kalpana Ramesh, entrepreneur and environmentalist, Adva Enviro Solutions Private Limited. Ms. Kalpana Ramesh, fondly called as Water Warrior, is an environmentalist advocating water conservation and restoration. A designer by profession and looking at the dependency on water tankers, started working towards solving water woes by implementing rainwater harvesting in and across the city. She is also a lead for Water Initiative, SAHE, Society for Advancement of Human Endeavors, and drives initiatives like Save 10K Bores and Live the Lakes. She believes in building communities for local decentralized action for water and works on replicable models with a city-wide approach. She believes in working on a three-part plan, which includes communities, corporates, and the government for a sustainable water future. Her current social startup, the Rainwater Project, provides sustainable integrated water management solutions in public and private sectors, along with lake and well restoration and conservation. She played an active role in the Hyderabad Design Forum's Step Well Documentation Initiative. As a lead of Blue Hyderabad Initiative, in collaboration with various organizations, she worked on restoring the dead Kudi Kunta Lake. As a result, the quality of water, the environment at the lake vicinity has improved significantly over 3 years. In collaboration with the government, she worked on restoring collapsed drain networks around the lake, regaining possible catchments, and improving biodiversity. Besides working with researchers on lake revival, she has also conducted various water awareness workshops for students and corporates, reaching out to 6 million people. Under Blue Hyderabad campaigns, she identified significant traditional and irrigation wells that lost their context due to rapid urbanization. Restoring such traditional wells helps in connecting communities and spaces by reviving traditional water harvesting structures. She is one of the 7 women honored on Women's Day to take over the Prime Minister's social media handle for a cause. In recognition of her outstanding leadership, entrepreneurship, and managerial abilities, demonstrating ethical values with rectitude and integrity, having a positive impact in raising the standards of relevant practices, processes, and policies in her line of work, besides establishing her concern for welfare of the society and progress of the nation in one express form or the other, Hyderabad Management Association is pleased to confer on Ms. Kalpana Ramesh, entrepreneur and environmentalist, Adva Enviro Solutions Private Limited, with the Women Achiever Award Excellence 2021. Congratulations, madam. You're welcome.
The guest of honor, Sri Sumit Devji, is handing over the statuette to the Wonder Water Woman, should be of Hyderabad and Secunderabad, twin cities. Ms. Kalpana Ramesh, thanks for your presence here. Water, the life liquid. It's a great gesture. Probably sometimes she should take a session on the water management in HMA.
Thank you all. Thank you, HMA. And it truly feels very, very humble to receive this award. And I started off as an individual. I wouldn't say I was a water warrior 20 years ago. But in my journey, and after understanding what the city is going through and what communities are going through, and as a city, where are we heading? It kind of scares me to think that sustainability is just theory now. We are not following sustainability for water. And it is my mission to put back at least 1 billion liters of water in the next 1 year. I've taken it upon myself. It could be lakes, it could be restoring wells, it could be doing rainwater harvesting in public spaces, in communities. I've been encouraged a lot, you know. Initially, it was quite a bit of disappointment when I started working, but I can proudly say today that 10,000 people around a lake today stand by me to do the right things for the lake. I have established the first ever Lake Protection Committee, which is a registered body today, and there is an account set up, and giving people, making them warriors for change is what I envision. That's when things will become sustainable. After seeing the city that where more than 80% of our groundwater is over-extracted, and we import water to the city, yes, I'm right, we import water to the city from the Godavari and Krishna beds. It simply says that we are not sustainable, and we battle urban floods in monsoons, and throughout summers, we buy tankers. Beyond the tap and the tanker, we are not able to think beyond this, so I want to solve this. And I really believe in Gandhiji, the power of one. I started off with my own sustainable home and a sustainable community. For the last 10 years, I haven't bought a single tanker in the high-tech city area, which is the central business district. So it is proof that if you manage your water, you can make yourself sustainable. And it is my wish to take this replicable block model. So I'm working block by block to restore the groundwater, to improve the groundwater. So our dependability on water from freshwater resources, from rivers, is reduced, and we become sustainable society. So everybody, literally, we are working with schools, we are working with religious institutions, corporates, hotels, hospitals. Everyone that has a rooftop has to become sustainable. We have to start doing grey recycling. And it is proof that we can make this happen. Our community of 100 villas does not need a single tanker for the last 6 years. So we have made sustainable communities too. And schools have come up and become water positive. I would like to mention Chirek International. All their 3 schools are water positive today, and they have taken up a stepwell restoration, which is the Gachibowli stepwell. Gachibowli is actually named after a well which was lost in the middle of the urban story. Now we are restoring it. So importance to these wells is even relevant today because they become collection points, and they are connected to very good shallow aquifers, so we can improve our groundwater. Groundwater is not visible to us, so it is not priority, but we have to make it our priority. And groundwater contamination is huge today. So if we give some attention, like through the COVID, through pandemic, I think all of us, each one of us in this room, directly or indirectly, we have helped the environment, we have helped people around us. If we take similar steps for water, I think the impact will be huge, and we can become a sustainable city. And my aim is to make Hyderabad a sustainable city for water. Thank you.